Hi, I'm Dee from Dee Lovely Life, and thank you so much for joining me on the 28-day cleaning routine challenge hosted by Sophia at My Great Challenge. I will link her channel down below if you already haven't followed her. So with that, also, Michelle from My Everyday Wife Life will be joining this collab as well, and she will be filming every day but collaborating it all into one video per week. So make sure you check out her channel, and I will link her channel down below. I am a full-time stay-at-home housewife and a full-time caregiver to my mother who had suffered a stroke. So I'm here 24/7 for her care. But in between, I film YouTube. I do decluttering, I do cleaning, cooking, home projects, hauls, meal planning, and caregiving videos. So I would love it if you click that subscribe button if you are new to my channel. Now, Sophia follows a Flylady routine, which I do not. I mean, I've incorporated some things here and there like the shiny sink and the swish and swirl. I figure I will share with you the cleaning that I do, and I like to clean as I see what needs to be cleaned, and with this is kind of motivating me a little bit more to just focus on areas that I haven't for a while, and I'm just gonna bring you along with me because I find that it's odd that I really enjoy watching speed cleaning and decluttering videos, and I'm really grateful that you do too, because I'm guessing you do, because of that you wouldn't be here watching me. So last night I shared with you on day 1 of my typical nighttime cleaning routine. So today I figure I will share with you my morning cleaning routine, and that way we can kind of get rid of all the everyday kind of routines, and then we can start focusing on other areas of my house. And I'll also do some light decluttering as well as we go. So are you guys ready for day 2? Let's get started. So here's my laundry that I started last night, remember? Well, actually, did I show that to you? I don't think I did, I'm sorry. So I started one load of, I believe, my mom's laundry. Just a few blankets and odds and ends. And I'm gonna throw this in the dryer now this morning so that I can continue on with the rest of her laundry since I gave her a sponge bath last night. We'll get that going, so at least we keep the laundry going. Wait for it. Macy's. Oh, the temptations. So I grabbed my mom's laundry, and this is pretty typical for after a sponge bath. So we go through a lot of towels, washcloths, and stuff that are, you know, that gets soiled. So laundry is a major factor in part of her care. Now these are some of my kitchen towels. These are actually the new ones that I just purchased at Costco. If you saw my vlog, these are the new ones, and these are the existing current ones that I have been using. This one here is been kind of old, and I'm not too sure if I want to keep it, so that gave me an idea. Let's go through my kitchen towel stuff and see what I can get rid of and what I want to keep. I think this has been here for a long time, and yeah, I don't need this. That can be tossed out or donated if it works. Looks like some type of apron. Since I'm in here, might as well wipe it out. Much better. Okay, we already determined that we will not be keeping that. This is, yeah, that could be just tossed out, rag. Same thing with this one. This one has seen better days. Since this was all bunched up, I never used this in a while, so I'm glad I found it. My mom made that. So my cousin made these. These are made out of the Bluebird flower bags. I think these are just adorable. So I'm gonna keep those. Microfiber. Gonna use that. This was my mother-in-law's. It's blue. I don't really like it. We'll donate that one. It's a pretty apron. You know, I'm just not a person who wears aprons, but I should. So maybe I will start wearing this, you guys. What do you think? Should I bedazzle it? No, I'm just kidding. Like a drying towel. I like to use these. Got at dollar store, so I will be using this one. All right, next drawer. This, I don't know exactly what those are. It looks like cheesecloth or something, but it has, I don't know. Don't know what that is for. Don't need it, so that's going to be thrown away. This is a timer manual. We don't even own that, so that can also be thrown away. This can be placed in my sponge kind of container. I can use it for cleaning in various projects. This here, that needs to be tossed out, used as for a rag. This one, my mom made, but looks like it kind of got burned. I don't know, I'm gonna see if that can come out or not. Darn. It's really pretty though. This is the matching one, that one is fine. She made me another one of these, that one is good. This goes to one of my Corningware. I like that, gotta keep that, it's one of my favorites. This is a nice heavy duty. Who's this by?
My husband really likes to use this when he barbecues. It's just very durable. See if I can get, ew. Yeah, I'm gonna try to see if that one comes out too, kind of clean these up. I found this one at a garage sale for like 25 cents. I like how thick this one is, so I usually like to use this kind of like as a hot pad on my table. I like it. This is something my mom had made for Jay. Don't you like that? That's so cool, isn't it? It's so him, so I really like that, so we'll keep that one. This one was my mother-in-law's, again, blue, so yeah, no, probably just donate that one. Again, these are great. I gotta find another set because, hello, yeah, we need to throw that one away. This is one of my favorites, but I definitely need to replace it. This one's getting kind of grimy and all that. So I think I'm just gonna throw that one out. And then here is the other matching one that my mom gave me. This one's so adorable. I just recently got this at a holiday boutique. I just think it's so cute. So I definitely will be keeping this one. So I'm gonna relocate these, gonna keep those. These I'm gonna place in the laundry room as rags, which I will be needing for this challenge. I actually kind of cleaned this up a little bit and it still works, so I'm gonna go ahead and place that in my donation bag along with this blue hot pad and this blue swan looking dish towel thingy bajiggy. So there we go. So here we go, all my newer towels here, nicely folded where I can now see them. And I have my drying dish towel back there. And then now I have a place to put all of my hot pads here so I know which ones I have. And then my pot holders here. Works out.
Well, that's a wrap for day 2. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you go check out Sophia at My Great Challenge and Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life. And I guess I will see you guys tomorrow for day 3. Thank you so much. Bye.